Welcome back, guys, and welcome to Crypto Cobra. If you have been watching the charts today, August 21st, 2026, you know Bitcoin is absolutely ripping. We are sitting around $77,677, and the structure is looking incredible, like a big explosion. But before you go full digging along the top, there are a few massive warning signs flashing right now that you at home there need to see. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive straight in to the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. Let's look at the current market structure. We just completed a massive breakout from that multi-week consolidation range where we were at $62,000 to $64,000 sideways for a very long time. And then finally here we broke out. We reached a 24-hour high at $79,513. Okay, and up here Bollinger Bands is slightly above the upper Bollinger Band, and we slightly just below it, so kind of could go both ways, but we are going to take a closer look. But here is why you need to be careful. We have several short-term exhaustion signals flashing red right now, and Bollinger Bands is just a bit higher than the current price. TD Sequential, the DMARC TD Sequential is printing an up 12. For those who use this indicator, this is an extended sequential count. Historically, once we hit 13, it's a high probability zone for a pause or a corrective move. Now over to the liquidation risk. We have a positive funding rate of plus 0.010% and extremely elevated open interest sitting at 25.9 million. What does that mean? It means the market is over leveraged on the long side. If we get a sharp pullback, it could trigger a nasty liquidation cascade. Okay, so be cautious, because as you see on the chart here, I have an indicator here below here that's called trend predictor, and as you see on the trend predictor here, we have a slight upwards trend there, but it could also go a bit down because it is overbought 89. So where is the Bitcoin heading next? Let's map out our immediate resistance and support levels. Immediate resistant upside targets is 79,513. It goes above this level of $80,000. This is the major psychological barrier. We need to go above $80,000, and then our next target would be $82,000 to $90,200. Immediate support. Okay, so if Bitcoin decides to drop down to this level here, it's a good time to actually catch the dip and maybe buy a bit. Not financial advice, but can also go lower than this level. The major horizontal support line is at $68,000. Okay, and if we go below that, something I do not think we're going to go below this level here just at the moment, but anything can happen because we are overbought. Okay, and when it's overbought, usually we dip it down and then up. And if we go above $80,000, good time for Bitcoin. So what happens next week? I've broken this down into 3 scenarios. The base case, 55 to 60% probability. We get a mild corrective pullback into 74,500 to 76,500 zone. This is actually healthy. It works off the overbought conditions and resets the TD sequential. If we hold the 20-24-hour move average cluster, the next leg higher to 80k and eventually 83,500 will begin very quickly. The bullish acceleration, 25% chance. If Bitcoin just ignores gravity, reclaims $79,513 and closes firmly above it with rising volume, this thing could go vertical towards $85,000 to $90,000 with barely any pullbacks. Bearish correction. If we break and close a 4-hour candle below 72,400, the door opens for a deep deeper retracement towards $70,000 or even $68,500. But listen, even if this happens, it is still a healthy bull market correction unless we lose the $68,000 market. Okay, if we go below $68,500, it's a bear market again. Okay, so that was all for today's Bitcoin price prediction video. Make sure you comment below where you, on there sitting on the couch or on the sofa, thinks Bitcoin is headed next. And make sure you scroll back and screenshot those predictions. Okay, have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.